Following up on the murder of a high-profile attorney inside his Arcadia home on Friday, Arizona's family has new footage of the suspect at the crime scene. This is shortly after the murder.
Yeah, you see him. We've isolated this footage for you here. Police arrested the victim's brother, and we now have a better understanding tonight of what happened before and after the shooting. Our true crime correspondent Briana Whitney is here, and you got to look at that newly released court documents.
Yeah, it's interesting. This is such a bizarre case, and what makes this even more complicated, the same family is involved with the victim and the suspect. We know police were able to watch this entire incident unfold on the victim's own video surveillance system. Court documents also revealed the suspect, Christopher Eaves, reportedly shot his brother multiple times, then left the scene only to return later. Our own cameras capture video of the moment Christopher comes back before he was put in handcuffs for first-degree murder.
New tonight, video of Christopher Eaves standing outside his brother's home moments after court documents say he returned to the murder scene with his parents. Unclear if at this point they realized he was the alleged killer. The victim, high-powered Valley attorney James Arthur Eaves, who went by Artie, reportedly gunned down by his brother Christopher Friday morning. Police say Artie was found face down on his driveway. We now know what happened before, during, and after Artie's death. Court documents say a man on a walk heard gunshots, then saw what appeared to be a bald or short-haired man driving off in a white BMW. The witness took down the license plate. That car belonged to Christopher Eaves. Documents say home surveillance footage shows Christopher arrive at his brother's home, ram his car into the garage door, then get out of the car wearing a hooded shirt, holding a handgun. A second clip shows Artie arriving home, looking at the BMW before walking to his front door. According to the Eaves parents, Christopher lived with them and struggled with mental illness, having also gone to the hospital for meth and fentanyl 2 years before. They told police Christopher left that morning, and when he came back home, his parents said something happened at Artie's home, and Christopher said he would go with them. It was when he went back to the scene that he was taken into custody. Police also found loaded guns inside Christopher's car and what appeared to be the murder weapon on his nightstand. Christopher Eaves did not talk to investigators, but appeared vocal and argumentative during his first court appearance Saturday.
On what basis?
Escort him to the house.
Stop for a second, Mr. Johnson. This isn't a debate. Mr. Johnson is speaking. You don't speak at the same time he is speaking. All right?
Meanwhile, the loss of Artie Eaves stunning the legal community. A family man known for defending medical malpractice cases and even involved in murder case prosecution before his own death.
Now, on that front, I did speak with Artie's wife on the phone today, who's very kind and not ready quite yet to share more about her husband as she processes all of this. As for Christopher Eaves, he officially faces first-degree murder and burglary in the first degree and was given a $1.5 million cash-only bond. He is due back in court on Thursday. Guys, I'll send it back to you.
Oh, Briana.